Oh, come on, Carla, come on. Here we go, here we go. Big old redfish, baby. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's a big boy. This is what Oso Slay Fishing is all about, baby. Hey guys, it's your boy Josh Avalos of Oso Slay Fishing here at Bird Island Basin. Hey guys, we tried to do some surf fishing. The surf looked incredible. We only caught one fish, but it's okay. We're here. We came here with the family the other day and missed out on a huge redfish. And I'm here to redeem myself, guys. Hopefully I can catch something big over here at Bird Island Basin. So we're over here at the windsurfing side and hopefully we got something. Let's talk to Carla and see how she feels about this. All right. All right, Carla. Are you ready to go fishing?
I'm ready.
You're ready?
So ready.
All right. So we haven't caught any redfish for a while. In fact, it's been a couple of months. Now, I'm talking about redfish. We're talking about some big redfish. Right. So today we are here at Bird Island and we are at the windsurfing area. So let's see what's gonna go on, because last time we came over here I missed out on that big redfish.
You did.
So
it's tragic.
We're gonna get the fish today.
We're gonna get it.
Right.
I believe it.
Claim it.
I claim it. In the name of Oso Slay.
In the name of Oso
Slay. Let's
wow,
go.
You are a pagan worshiper. All right, let's go. Slap thing. Fight me. Let's go right here. Look. Right here.
Oh my gosh.
I need that net. That's a nice one, baby.
My fish is scared.
Huh?
My fish is scared.
I don't care. Oh, Lord.
Woo. Look at that.
That's a big boy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yes. Battle scars too. Oh, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
How does it feel?
It feels great. Let's go.
The devil thought he 10.
Thought so, huh?
Oh, he's got 2 spots.
Yeah, the beautiful redfish. Come on, get closer. Right here, this way. See that? Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Oh my gosh. I wish I had my measuring tape. I bought a new one. I think I left it in the truck. That's all right. I ain't gonna keep it anyways. I'm gonna catch and release. Oh, you thought you were gonna escape from me, boy? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh my gosh. What a fish. What a fish. Don't fight me, it's alright. Let's grab this bad boy. Check out his teeth, look, get close over here. Check out the teeth. Check out the teeth on that. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Check this out, guys. That is what you call a good looking redfish. This is what Oso Slay Fishing is all about, baby. It's been a while since I caught a big old redfish like this, man. This got to be 28, 29 inches. Oh my gosh, look at that. See, you can tell I had gotten into some fights right there. You see that right there? Oh my God, I can't even tell right there. Yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful redfish, guys, over here at Padre Island Natural Seashore, right near where I usually fish, Bird Island Basin. So this is pretty much Bird Island Basin, but I decided to fish over here where people do windsurfing. And last time we came over here, we encountered some black drum, and then there was a big, huge redfish. Guys, you gotta take a look at it on my TikTok where I lose the stupid redfish. This is great redemption right here. Great redemption right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and release this bad boy. I wanna measure it so bad, man. I wanna know how, guys, in the comments, tell me what you think. Do you think this is a 27 to 29 inch red? What do you think, guys? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and kiss the fish, send it on out. All right, here we go, guys. Let's watch this release right here. There's a little fart noise right there. Oh my God, what a fish. Thank God. Thank you, Jesus. Let's catch some more fish. Oh, come on, Carla, come on. Let me get my rod out of the way. Get that rod out of the way. Come on, girl. Yes. How's it feel, baby? How's it feel? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Look at that, baby! Adam Cole, baby! Oh my God, babe. Oh my God. I gotta keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. I gotta put this rod down. Oh my gosh. Oh. All right, get over here. Get on that side. Get on that side. Stay over there. Keep it over there. Oh, I gotta put this rod down. No. This is what I'm trying to get. Sorry, y'all. We're up professionals here. We're not professional, but we're gonna catch this fish. Put it up, put it up, put it up. Here we go, here we go. Big old redfish, baby. Oh my gosh. Come on, Carla. Come on. Bring that baby home. It's okay, keep on, keep on. This is your moment, this is your, oh, this is your redfish, come on. You're not gonna lose it, you're not gonna lose it, so bring it over here. Keep it up, just keep it up for a bit, keep it up for a bit. Let it swim, let it swim. I see it right now. All right, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Reel, 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 reel. All right, get back over here, this way. Yeah, yeah. He's trying to go around there. Bring him back, bring him back, bring him back. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He's trying to wrap up. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Come on. Oh my gosh. Woo!
Look at
It's
it.
bigger than mine.
You think so?
That's what, never mind. Whoa, my gosh, Carla. Oh my Lord. Look at him. Look at that bad boy.
Look at those dots.
Oh, dude.
Oh, he's got some scars too.
He got some scars, you know what? He got Carla's scars now. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, you touched my butt. Just kidding.
Bruh.
All right, let's see. Let's see. You need, yeah, put that rod down right there. You're all right. You're all right. There you go. Work smarter, not harder, baby. Yep.
Nope.
Okay. Make sure he's locked. He's locked up. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
Is it good?
He's good. He's just gotta get that hook off before he starts doing that on you. Oh my gosh. That's got to be a 30-inch red, 29, 30-inch red. And I left my stupid measuring tape. Tip, guys, tip. Bring your stupid measuring tape so you can know how big your fish is. But man, this is a big slot red. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Look at that. OMG. Now we know this is what we do for Oso Slay Fishing,
Woo!
babe. Give me a Ric Flair.
Woo!
That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, let me do that. Oh my gosh. Hey, you got your big fish now, huh?
Yes.
You got your big fish. It took you a year, but we got your big fish now. Yes. Babe, that's gotta be 29. Oh my gosh. Oh. Can somebody on the comments throw me a measurement right here? In fact, if we're in the year 2050 and we discovered how to just throw things through our television or through our computer screen, time travel, whatever, just send me a stupid measuring tape, because my wife deserves that, guys. She deserves that. Who cares about me? I'm just the man. But my wife deserves it. Give that kiss a fish right now.
Give that kiss a fish.
I mean,
All
give
right.
that kiss. Give that fish a kiss. Idiot.
Woohoo.
I'm dyslexic, everybody. That's just the truth. I'm letting everybody know on YouTube I'm dyslexic. It's okay. All right, give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
This is the third one. All right.
Why'd you look at his eyes? You're in love with it now?
I love you.
Look at you. All right, Carla. Go ahead and release that bad boy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, bye. Bye. Make some more babies. All right, Carla. All right, guys. We had a fantastic time today. Wow, we were able to catch those redfish. Give me some, girl. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And that means, guys, you have to like, comment, and please subscribe. Come on, man. Come on. You know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. Hey, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Man, it feels good to fish again. It's been a while. We've been very busy with our lives lately, and you know, Aaron is in rehab. Yeah, he's no, he's not in rehab, but he's anyways, we're gonna do some more videos with me and my brother pretty soon, so I'm excited about that. But hey, guys, whew, great day of fishing. Fishing is life. You know what it's all about, guys. Hey, if you have social media, guys, please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and of course TikTok. Guys, we're about to hit 1,000 not subscribers. Hello. We're about to hit 1,000 followers on TikTok. So thank you guys for connecting with us on social media and liking our stuff and sharing it. We really appreciate it, guys. Hey, to the family and to our friends who have supported us these past, so it's about to be 2 years, right?
Yep.
These past 2 years, thank you so much. We hope that you guys are having a blessed day. Again, guys, this is how we sign off. We'll see you later. Later.
Bruh.